picked up, loaded up. She needs some help. A lot of help. But she looked good though. Trunk is jammed closed, so who knows what's gonna be in there. Hot damn. So, header panel and hood. Both of those. I'm not gonna bother replacing. Oh, trying to bop that out. Too much debris. YouTube land. We're back with the Crown Vic after, actually, first time showing the Crown Vic because my entire dash cam footage series got destroyed because I forgot to put the large SD card inside my dash cam. But anywho, here we have the 2003 Ford Crown Victoria P71 with 182 and no longer busted up windshield. However, I am full of glass back here. I took this door panel off to get the window up because the control arms are shot. That's the replacement header panel for this girl. I painted it myself. Doesn't look too bad. There are a few little off spots, but I can live with it. Seats are moldy because, again, she sat open in the environment for a good while. Yeah, she's filthy, covered in glass. I have to. Wow, those seats look worse on camera. Yow. But anywho, paid just under $600 for it. $50 for a tow. Then, what I've done so far, I replaced the plastic molding right there because the old one was cracking and falling apart. That came from a 2011 Norfolk car. Then I replaced the hood here. This hood came from a 02 LX Sport, which was sad to see. That grill too. Yeah, I just couldn't stand seeing that big giant hole right there. It's like a fuck me face, as I call it. I did put bulbs in it because I just wanted to. Just test everything out. Gotta figure out why these don't work. This is also a replacement. Junkyard. The tires are bald as shit. And one of them is actually exposed metal. Again, full coat from HertFord County, North Carolina. For it being a resource car, there are no holes. And a few dents from, I think, maybe the deer's antler or some shit. But there's no holes. Oh yeah, I replaced the trunk lid. That's why it's got the little mark there. And it's not as dirty. Again, from the LX Sport. Main reason why, on the original one, the paint was gone here. There's just a giant gaping hole. And it's cheaper to replace the entire deck lid than it is to have it painted. I also have a problem with the lock here. So I figured screw it. Grab the LX Sport's lock and key. Put it on there. My taillights, I didn't know at first, were broken on this side. I did order a set, $40 online. It's supposed to arrive today, but FedEx screwed me. Because of course it did. Peeling plastic down here. This is the tire, which is beyond sketchy. If I can find what's the other side? No, it's definitely this side. Well, you can already tell the tires are beyond bald. And there is exposed metal somewhere on this tire. I'm pretty sure that you can see just a little bit there. Yeah, I'm parked on top of it. What are the odds of that? Again, she is in pretty good shape. I found out the fuel pump is bad. There's another shot of that header panel. You can see, like I said, a few small blemishes, but heck, for Rattle can paint job, not that bad. Windows do work, except for the driver, like I said. And I just noticed the cup holder is missing the bottom part, so that sucks. Ooh, look at that. Mud dauber's got in there good. I'll be pulling out a lot of glass from this car. I don't think she has a center console. She might have, because that harness is there. Not fully sure. You can see where I haven't put that thing in all the way yet, so it's partially sticking out. Headliner is good, missing the cover there, but I have one sitting in the car. More glass. I'm gonna start vacuuming the shed this thing already once I build the video here. Fuel pump is looks like completely dead. I'm gonna do some sketchy shit in a little bit to get that working again. Oh, I also have to bop this fender just a little bit forward because it's rubbing just a little bit, but it's still enough to bother the shit out of me and make that annoying noise. Again, I did replace that marker, put that grill on there, and put a battery in it because I had one laying around. Hoping to drive it home. Here's the old headlight, all smashed up glory. I did unhook the fuel rail here. Again, gonna be doing some sketchy shit. See how that works out. But yeah, she should come back to life pretty soon. Mud daubers definitely had a field day with this poor girl though. Luckily I don't see any rat shit, so that's a benefit right there. Anywho, should see me work on this thing from the dash cam. Hopefully this time I did put a bigger card in it. And we'll see how this goes. Oh yeah, I also replaced the windshield because again it had deer go through it, so what do you expect me to do? Alright, let's get to work. So we're doing a lot better in here now. All of the, well, most of the glass has been sucked up. The little Ryobi over there is doing some work. That piece is on the hood right now because it was already pulled out. Fine glass bits of it everywhere, but heck, it's all coming out slowly but surely. Hot damn. Oh, she's running. Sketchiest way possible. But she's running. So I don't recommend doing what I just did, but I had to make sure the engine ran, and it was just a bad fuel pump. Now I have confirmation the fuel pump is shit. I can now replace it. I have a full front end. A few little things I have to tweak on it. Not twerk, goddamn. But hot damn. 1 second while I clean up and I'll wrap it up for you guys. Hot damn, that matches pretty nicely. I'm happy with that. So I finished putting the bolts back in. Very, very slight color difference, and also age and dirt. We'll see. Alright, she's back together. The next issue will be the fuel pump or the fan. Fan is stuck on high at all times. I might do that before it gets too dark, because progress is being made slowly but surely. Hot damn. Still have to replace the headlights still, because there is damage to these things, and that one has a hole in the bottom from the strobe light. But she's come a long way. Issue number 2 now. I got the fan in, but now I'm checking the hood alignment, and it doesn't line up. I think this is going to happen, just going off the alignment right here. So, trying to fix it. Alright, we're back to where I can deal with her now. I might do a wash down before I end today. But damn. Just think. Years ago, this thing was not even running and driving. Now it's at least running. Things you gotta do still: that window regulator, put the door panel back on, fuel pump or some sort of relay, and replace this piece of shit right here. Good progress, good progress. Oh, if you're wondering why that's back there, I'm slowly shoveling out water. Alright, we're done for the night. Just have to give her a little Lysol bath. Mostly the outside, because it had algae and mold and moss everywhere. Dash got a little love because, well, it's glass there. Hood's a lot better. Gotta do a few more adjustments. This door I think I have to slide back just the smallest amount. I might put some like reflective black here, make it look like a solid piece of glass window. But she's come a long way already. 3 to 5 days of owning it. So it's definitely come a long way. I'm really tempted to take out the Hert to make it Ford County. Ford. Figure out that'd be pretty comical. Still got more glass and water to clean up from the inside. We shouldn't have rain for a few days, so I'm going to leave the windows open. Just to show you what I'm dealing with the water situation. Over time, it comes to the top of the rug here. I take this little food bin and just scoop. Very minimal amount here right now. But yeah, you can see all that nastiness. Yuck. But yeah, I'll be back probably tomorrow. Do some more stuff to her. Might do the window, might not. Debating on it still. It's a pain in the ass. Might just pay someone. I also gotta repaint the molding here on the door, and a few little spots here and there. Sand those up. Do some spotting. Shouldn't be that bad. Might keep this LX tailgate up. Well, reverse. You know, call it molding. Reverse molding. Back rear molding. Same thing. Because I take them off, come with the trunk, and it is in a little better shape. Actually, no, never mind. I just noticed it's not chrome. That's gonna irk the shit out of me if I don't fucking make that match. Damn it. Sure. Let me check. There it is. Okay, gotta find which pocket has my keys. Leave this in the car. Damn it. Yeah, there. This trunk also has some surprisingly good hinges on it. Like, shit. I'll try it in the F-150. Okay, fuck it. That's kind of where we're at now. I messed all that while cleaning, you son of a bitch. Anywho. Did I just... No, I didn't. Okay, good. That'll wrap it up for tonight. I'll see you guys in the next video.